Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the issue with Microsoft Store. You got the error, try again later. Something happened on our end. Let's fix it guys. The first solution is to repair and reset the Microsoft Store. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type store. Comes up Microsoft Store, right click on it and select app settings. You just need to scroll down and select the repair option. After getting repair done, select reset option. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. You just need to go to search menu and type services, click on open it. Search for Microsoft Store install service. Just double click on it. Service status, select stop and startup type set to manual and service status start again. Select apply and OK for save changes. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the third solution guys. You just need to go to search menu and type PowerShell. Right click on the Windows PowerShell and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Copy and paste it and press enter. After finishing this command, you just need to close it off here and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.